Hey everybody. I just wanted to show you how to change your date that your essential order or essential reward order processes. So if you've logged in, this is your dashboard, at least this is how it's looking right now. And all you have to do is go over here to ER monthly order, or you can go over here to details, but it's just easier if you click over there on the side and has all the information over here about your essential rewards order. So how much you process, your shipping date, this is where your payment changes. If you want to change it to a different credit card, if you want to make a Young Living Foundation donation, but keep scrolling down because there's the bunch of different buttons down here. If I hadn't already processed this month, I could hit this process today button if I wanted to process right now. I can also check my order history, see what I ordered last month versus the month before. But also right here, you can change your processing date. So let's check that out, okay? So if I hit my change processing date, it tells me because I've already processed this month. So right now it's September 9th. So I'm not going to process on the 10th because I already processed early this month. But for my next processing date, I usually put it about the 10th. Why? Because we process my order on my husband's paycheck, which is every 2 weeks. So that could be anywhere between the 1st and the 7th part of the month. So, or actually even the 14th. So all you do is you come down here to choose a day of the month, and then you pick whatever day you want. Now, I do want you to notice that you can't really go past the 24th. Why? Well, part of it is because there was a situation where people were processing so late in the month that it was going over to the next month. There was a whole bunch of issues. Young Living really would like you to process your order actually before the 15th, but we all understand people don't get paid before the 15th all the time. So there you go. There's all your processing dates. If you need to process after the 24th, then feel free to call Young Living and they will get you set up with that.